Mano odiechieng' achiel kende bang' okinde ma pacho kae bago ng'anyo ka gikwedo donjruok mar piny owacho tije doho. Moko kuom jood bura mag Kenya Kwanza koro wuok oko ka giseyo kindego ma giwacho ni otenore gi duond buche makwedo e rocho ajenda mag sirikal. Ka gilose kar chung' od bura ma Gwene kaunti ma Nandi, jood bura go nowacho ni okindego siro mibadhi e doho. Otelegi kod jaod bura ma Marakwet West Timothy Lipchumba ne gidok ne piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza ka giwacho ni jatend piny William Ruto ochomo ong'ala makare ni mar osekelo lokruok buora e bwo higa achiel kende mar telo mare.
He lost that interest. He decided to go back to school. And somebody say, decide.
Housing programs are running across the country. One that is happening, the president is coming to launch an housing program here in Kapsabet on 16th. That is Tuesday next week. Here in Kapsabet alone, we have close to 200 workers from all fields, whether mechanical, masons, electricians, who will be working here in Kapsabet. So the president has put those measures so that to make sure that youth get employment within their reach.
I am a member of the Law Society of Kenya. Leo nimeona LSK wakiwa Nairobi, wakifanya maandamano. I want to tell LSK, please avoid hypocrisy. Wakati nchi hii ilikuwa karibu yanguke, wakati Raila Odinga na Uhuru Kenyatta walikuwa handshake, the economy of this country almost collapsed. Where was LSK? Where was the Law Society of Kenya? We never saw you demonstrating. We never saw you calling for mass action when the economy of this country was collapsing. LSK, stop the hypocrisy.
In Ingereza ogolo ote mantiere